Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x80300002F when installing or upgrading your Windows computer. And typically it'll say that Windows was unable to create a required installation folder. Please reconfigure your boot.wim file to use the settings for the first image and restart your installation. So it'll usually say something along those lines. And without further ado, we're going to go into the solution. And we're going to start off by opening up the search icon. Type in CMD. Best results should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. So into this command line window, type in CHK DSK space //R. Hit enter on your keyboard. So you will need to restart your computer in order to start the scan. So type the Y key and hit enter. So now once you've done that, you're going to have to close out of any open programs and applications and restart your computer. Okay, so once that's done, next scan you want to run will require opening up the command prompt again. So again, CMD, right click on the command prompt here and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And now you want to go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And if you attempted to restart the installation of whatever program or perhaps even operating system you're having the problem with, hopefully that issue should be resolved at this point. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.